What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dadlife. In this video, we are going to hop on the Nitro MTRC truck. We're going to install the new part up front, and we're going to go see if we can finally get the brake and throttle fixed by checking out the batteries in the receiver tray. So enjoy the video. Alright guys, so the failsafe keeps coming up with a red light which actually shows signal loss, and the reason it has a signal loss is I'm pretty sure the four AA batteries inside the receiver tray are dead. So we actually have to remove the receiver tray, replace the four AA's, and see if that fixes it. So hang tight. Let's see here. It's been a minute. Alright, so we're going to pop out the old batteries here. And they actually sell one that connects here that is actually rechargeable lithium. But we're still going to rock it old school for now since I have plenty of AA batteries. We're going to use AA's. So let's see if this fixes it. Let us see. Alright guys, so we are back and we have a new part for the front of it. And what do we have here? What do we have here? Boom. GPM Racing matching front shocks. Let's take a look. These things are brand new in the bag. About 20 some years old. Been trying off and on for years to find them to match the rear, as well as still looking for the lower control arms, and then I'll be happy. But let's get these bad boys on. Okay, so first we're just going to remove, very simple, screw, 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 screw. Let's get started. Alright guys, so you can see, let's get the new aluminum shocks out of the bag here. Alright, so we got the 2 aluminum GPM racing shocks, and again, stainless hardware that comes with it. You see, same length as the OEM ones, hair longer. So we are going to use stainless hardware that comes with it again. Let's see what we got. Looks like we might have, let's see here. Alright, so what do we got? We got 2 long screws, short screws, long collar, little collars. So what do we got here? Alright, so first we're going to drop the little sleeve, little stainless sleeve into here, because as you'll see, if you don't, the screw is just going to fall basically right in, be too loose. So you're going to drop this right into here in the eye, and we're going to match it up, and it's going to be the longer screw. Let's see here. Alright guys, so what I ended up doing was just reusing the stock black screws that come with the stock shocks. And then what you do is you insert the smaller stainless collar in the top, and then the yellow here already has the inserted collar in when you get them from the package. So just reuse the stock screws. Why would you reuse the stock screws? Well, let's take a look. Let's pop these off. Alright, so what you're going to see is it's a different thread pitch. So we have, there's the stock one, same length as the stainless, which would be nice to use. However, the stainless has a much tighter thread pitch. You probably can't even tell because the lighting's horrible, so I apologize, but trust me on this one. Reuse the stock ones and then put a little Loctite on. You'll be good to go. So let's get the second screw out here and swap them over. So again, on the Nitro NT, especially replacing just the front or rear shocks, it's literally 2 screws and a collar. So these are going to drop off. There's the bottom screw here, top screw here, and then we have top goes in here. As you see, I inserted the stainless collar that comes with the new shock from GPM. Put that in here. Get this started up top here. Let's get it started. Alright, bottom one, same thing. We are reusing the stock location, which was the first hole in the control arm. Let's see here. Alright guys, so we got the front shocks on, the aluminum ones from GPM Racing to match the rear. As you see, I did the exact same thing I did years ago, which is reused the stock black screws that come with it. So again, definitely we still have to adjust the steering servo because I do not have enough turn in. As you can see, works now, but when you're actually using the remote, it'll only turn about like this far no matter how much I adjust it, so I got to figure that out. But again, we are back, looking good, matching. We have the rear aluminum A-arms here. These have been on for about 20 years now, and you see with that sag, I might be able to adjust, basically tweak these a little bit as you see, adjustable shock location, so we could tweak that on the shock towers here and here, but we'll work with that. We got the parts on. We still have to put some Loctite on. It was working great today. I replaced the batteries in the receiver tray. So again, the failsafe was fine. Brakes were good. Just got to still work on adjusting the steering again, because it's not steering as tight as it should. It'll just be like one big loop left or right, but I can't figure out how to get it centered. But again, we're going to work on that. But again, nice oil-filled aluminum shocks. Look at that. That's sick. A little softer up front, harder in the rear, which is good. Bam. Look at that. Nice. All right, guys, as always, thank you for tuning in. I hope you're finding these videos informative and enjoyable at the same time. And it is always fun for me following other people's builds, whether it's cars, trucks, motorcycles, scooters, RC, cars, trucks, you know, all that good stuff. It's just kind of cool for me to see things come together. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel and throw me a thumbs up. As always, that will help the people that are searching for these types of videos find the material that might just be the fix for their real car, their RC truck, that type of thing. And of course, maybe they'll get some enjoyment along the way with some of our karaoke. Thank you guys as always. Until the next video where we get back on a project, quick fix on the house. This is Dadlife.